Did you know that over 80% of marketers say video has directly increased their sales? And actually over 86% say it has helped them generate more leads. And yet most businesses struggle to build an effective video strategy that converts their audience into paying customers. So what is the secret? Well, the answer is a well-structured video sales funnel. And today, I'm going to walk you through the complete guide to building a high-converting video sales funnel. I'll break down each stage: awareness, consideration, and decision. And I'll even show you exactly what types of videos you need to be creating at each stage to move your audience smoothly through the buying journey. And you know, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint for using video content to attract, engage, and convert your audience. And if you want to dive even deeper, I'll also share a link to our ultimate guide, how to build a video sales funnel that converts. It's a free resource packed with templates, checklists, step-by-step instructions, everything you need to get started today. Before we dive into all the specifics, I want to tell you why a video sales funnel is essential for your business if you're serious about growth. Now, first, video is one of, if not the most powerful tools to build trust and establish authority in your space. It's personal, engaging, and when structured correctly, it can guide your audience through every step of the decision-making process. But here's the catch. Simply creating random videos isn't enough. You need a strategic approach that aligns your content with the buyer's journey. So think of it like a roadmap. At each stage, your audience has a different set of questions. They have different needs, different objectives. And a well-designed video funnel ensures you're delivering the right message at the right time and in the right format to make it much easier for them to move from, oh, I'm just looking, to I'm ready to buy. Let's break down the three main stages of any video sales funnel and what types of content really works best at each point. Okay, so the first stage of the funnel is the awareness stage. This is where your audience is just discovering your brand. They're probably not ready to buy yet. In fact, they might not even know what problems that they're trying to solve. Your goal here is simple. You just want to get their attention, you want to provide some value, and start to build that trust. Now, I have found that in the awareness stage, there's really three video formats that work exceptionally well. The first is the how-to videos. These are the step-by-step guides. You've seen them before. They're tutorials, and they really focus on solving a specific problem that your audience might be facing. So think of these as the top of the funnel content that positions your brand as a helpful expert within your niche. Now, the second one is a brand or story video. These videos introduce your company, your mission, your values. It's a chance to really humanize your brand and make an emotional connection with your audience. And the third type is education videos. Here you could talk about specific pain points and offer actionable solutions, but also teach industry insights, helping to attract viewers who are searching for answers. The key here is to focus on providing value without being salesy. Think, what are the top questions your audience is asking? And what problems are they trying to solve? And create videos that answer these questions in a clear and engaging way. Now, once your audience is aware of your brand, they move into the consideration stage. Here, they're evaluating their options. They're comparing solutions, kicking tires, and figuring out which one is right for them. Now, your goal is to show why your product or service is the best fit and build trust. Now, at this stage, you want to go deeper into your solutions and provide content that helps them make an informed decision. Now, the best types of videos at this stage are: one, product demos. Show your product or service in action. Highlight its key features and most importantly, how it solves your audience's pain points. The second type are explainer videos. These are ideal for breaking down complex topics or explaining how your solutions work. You can use a lot of visuals and animations to really simplify your message. And the third type is customer testimonial videos. I mean, nothing builds trust like hearing success stories from real customers. Share testimonials that focus on specific results and outcomes to demonstrate the impact of your solution. Now, these videos should have a more direct call to action, such as visiting your website for more information, or downloading a case study, or even scheduling a demo. The point is that you want to start moving them in the direction of connecting with you. And then finally, we have the decision stage. This is where your prospects are nearly ready to buy, but they may still have one or two questions or even hesitations. And at this point, your videos need to focus on removing objections and giving them a reason to act now, a sense of urgency. The 3 best videos at this stage are: number 1, success stories. Much like the customer testimonials, these should highlight specific results and outcomes, showcasing real-world success stories to build confidence. The second type are frequently asked question videos. You can address common concerns or objections such as pricing, onboarding, or implementation. And you want to clear up any of those final doubts. And third, personalized sales videos. These are custom tailored videos that speak directly to a high quality lead's unique pain points and show how your solution fits their needs. And your CTA here should be strong and direct. Book a demo, sign up, or contact us today. But we're just scratching the surface. If you want a more detailed guide with lists, explanations, and checklists, be sure to download our ultimate guide, How to Build a Video Sales Funnel That Converts. It's completely free, and it's packed with actionable strategies to help you create your own high-converting video funnel. You can click the link in the description below and start turning your video content into a powerful sales machine. So now you know which videos to make. How do you make sure your videos keep your audiences hooked and drive action? Well, the answer is creating compelling scripts that speak directly to your audience's need at every single stage. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in the next video, which is on your screen now. I'll walk you through proven script frameworks and examples so you can craft powerful messages that turn viewers into loyal customers. I'll see you there.